listed.
Lord, it may be true, my lord.
Maybe Allah, it is fact. You can't say maybe.
No, it must be, my lord.
A court decree.
Lord, it was decree granted.
How can it be? Please point
I
out.
can
if
show it
there's
to
a-
you. I can show
No,
it to you.
no, not showing. Show from the provision, sir. How can there be a court decree if there is a settlement in Lok Adalat?
Lord, what the decree
Please
which
tell
is
me,
challenged
how
before
can
your
there be a
lordship,
court decree under what
there should
provision?
not
court-
be, my lord. But that is what I am saying.
Therefore,
Now, my lord.
wait, sir.
Yes.
Wait, sir. If the decree is passed by the court in persons of a Lok Adalat settlement, that decree also need to be set aside.
My lord.
You
That
please
has to be
wait,
set
sir.
aside by
Wait,
the same
sir.
court.
Wait, sir.
Not in writ.
Decree, if it is a wrong decree, that's the point, that it has to go back to the suit.
Exactly, my lord. If it is a wrong decree, my lord. If it is a wrong decree. Now, my lord, your lordship's order, my lord, we challenge before the Supreme Court. The next page.
I have
is the
seen
Supreme
only
Court.
say that you file a review.
Yes, my lord.
They never said that you allow the review.
No, no, obviously, my lord, they cannot.
That's
Your
a
lordship is a
consolation
constitutional-
prize everybody gets
No, no, no.
nowadays.
No. Your lordship is the constitutional court, actually as same as the Supreme Court, my lord. It is not any different. Lord, what I am submitting to your
No,
lordship is this.
see, the fact is that you did not come and argue the matter on the day when it was listed.
Lord, it may be true, my lord.
Maybe Allah, it is fact. You can't say maybe.
No, it must be, my lord. It must be. Otherwise, your lordship would
I
have
have heard whoever was present, Mr. Mali Patil said it's a mistake.
No,
We
but
are prepared to settle the matter we are prepared to contest the matter in the suit. I have passed that decree. That's all.
Lord,
Anyway, take notice. Whoever wants to oppose, let them oppose.
please.
Issue
There
notice.
is delay of 47 days, my lord. In fact,
Issue notice.
yes, Lord, your lordship had directed the suit to be disposed of by January 2025, my lord. Matter is going on. Nothing will happen in 4 weeks. That is what I have told my client also.
Sir.
Your lordship permits me, my lord. I will serve.
No, wait, sir. The point is very simple. Why are you shirking to prove your case before the court?
I am not, my lord.
Then
In
go
fact,
and
what has
contest the
happened
suit,
is,
no? Go and
after
contest
2
the suit.
years, after 2
Go and
years,
contest the suit, sir.
Lord, after 2
Let
years,
us see when it comes.
yes, my lord. No, there is
See when it comes.
there is something.
See,
They have sold the property by taking benefit of the
all that
compromise.
will be subject to decree of the suit.
Lord, till when will I litigate this?
No, that's a different issue for which you can't ask the some arrangement that has been made or some settlement that has been made, and pursuant to that the court decree is passed. All these are unheard of in the history.
My lord, we'll produce all the documents, my lord. It is a court decree.
ಸರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಾವ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀ ಇಟ್. ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 10-15 ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬರೇ ಮೋಸ. ಈ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಶನಿವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರಗಳು ಜಡ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು,
Correct.
ಶನಿವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಜಡ್ಜಿಗಳು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಊರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ
Correct,
ಆಕ್ಟ್
my lord.
ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ
Absolutely. Absolutely.
ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಕ್ರಿ ಬೈ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್.
Correct, my lord.
ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅದಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ನೊಳಗಡೆಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಅವತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
My lord.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಮಾಲಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರು ಹೌದು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
23 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಮಗಂಗೆ ಬರೀ 6 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು
Three
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
property,
ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ,
three properties.
ನೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ತಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ನೇ ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ನ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಿ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೆಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ನ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, when it was convenient to them, they enter into a settlement, abide by it, settle all the
Now also you
legal
can,
debts.
no, if you want to settle now also you can settle.
No, it is
Absolutely
settled.
no problem.
It is settled. According to me, it is settled. They are the people who are not, my lord, complying with the settlement.
No, let
They,
us see.
my lord, get one daughter to
Let us
say
see,
that
sir.
I don't
Let us
agree.
see, sir. Yes, sir. Let us Kalburgi bench matters.
Lord, kind permission. It is a Dharwad matter. Now came little late morning. File a posting. It is supposed to come to today. The cases have not been posted.
No, if it is ordered it will come. If it is not ordered it will not come.
I wanted to come.
ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡು?
Next day,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20ಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 20th. ಸುಳ್ಳದ್ ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ ಸತಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ 2-3 ಸತಿ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Let us see.
Kalburgi bench matter. Serial number 1.
Tengli? Tengli?
Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord. My lord,
ಏನಿದು?
I am for petitioner. Offence is under section 302, my lord, major offence. Sir.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ, if you are ready, we will dispose of.
Please, my lord. My lord,
Objection ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವ್ರೆ?
objection. File, madam. Please, my lord.
Objection ಹಾಕಿದಾರೇನ್ರಿ?
File, my lord.
When did you file, Mr. HCGP?
Today only I have filed. My lord.
ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಡೆ ಮೂರ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಎಕೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Mr. Inamdar, when did you file the objections?
Today, my lord. Today only I.
ಮತ್ ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಇವತ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿನ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಟೆಂಗ್ಲಿ?
Sir, left to this honorable, my lord.
Tomorrow, I mean 20th, next week ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Yes.
HGP, Shri Inamdar submits that he has filed the objections today. Office is directed to place the objections on record and release this matter on 20th. Yes, sir.
Serial number
Please,
2.
my lord.
Arun Kumar,
My lord, I appear for petitioner in this case. My lord, I have instructions to submit that suit itself is disposed of.
all right. Barkoli, Shri Arun Kumar Amar Gundappa submits that the suit in OS number 16/18 itself is disposed of and the present writ petition has rendered, thus the present writ petition has rendered infructuous.
No.
Full stop.
My lord, in fact, it was at the instance of learned senior civil judge seeking extension of time
So,
on a
okay,
memo.
now it is over.
Yes, yes.
Accordingly, accepting the explanation would not arise for consideration. Hence, writ petition stand disposed of as it has rendered infructuous.
Please, please.
Serial number 3.